gravel. Dusty old truck, tires spinning slow down a gravel road where the wild things go. Past the chicken coop and the sagging fence line to my little patch of heaven where the sun does shine. And there she sits, all orange and bright, my mini excavator, a beautiful sight. She ain't big and burly, no giant machine, just pint-sized powerhouse, you know what I mean. She's small but mighty, with a lot of heart, tearing through the earth, playing her part, digging out stumps or clearing new ground. Best little friend a hillbilly ever found. Yeah, she's cute as a button, with tracks in the dirt, makes a hard day's labor feel a little less hurt. Got her quirks and her rattles, a stubborn old soul, but she helps me reach every last one of my goals. Now she ain't perfect, I'll freely admit. Sometimes that throttle, it just wants to quit. And that hydraulic line, it sprung a small leak, leaves a little oil stain on my weathered cheek. She sputters and grumbles on a cold winter's morn, and that little bucket gets stuck on a thorn. But with a tap and a wiggle and a cuss or two, she fires right up, ready for something new. She's small but mighty, with a lot of heart, tearing through the earth, playing her part, digging out stumps, clear new ground. Best little friend a hillbilly ever found. Yeah, she's cute as a button, with tracks in the dirt, makes a hard day's labor feel a little less hurt. Got her quirks and her rattles, a stubborn old soul, but she helps me reach every last one of my goals. We dug the bowl pipes and laid new power lines, cleared out the creek bed through all kinds of times. From planting the garden to fixing the drain, she's right there beside me through sunshine and rain. She ain't got no fancy GT screen, just good old-fashioned muscle, if you know what I mean. She's small but mighty, with a lot of heart, tearing through the earth, playing her part, digging out stumps, so clearing new ground. Best little friend her hillbilly ever found. Yeah, she's cute as a button, tracks in the dirt, makes a hard day's labor feel a little less hurt. I got her quirks and her rattles, a stubborn old soul, but she helps me reach every last one of my goals. So if you see me out there covered in grime, with my little orange digger, having a good time, don't you dare laugh or shake your head slow, 'cause that mini excavator, she helps my dreams grow. Yeah, she helps my dreams grow down this old dirt road.